Today I'm cold starting my cars because it's freezing cold out and it's been a while, so why not? M240i first. This one is probably going to start right up. No surprise. One of the most reliable BMWs I've had.
I don't know if this one will start.
This one I'm not so sure about. It's kind of hit or miss.
Right.
All right. Oh. Oh. One more time. Yeah, Prob's gonna let that one go. This one is, you know what? I have a feeling this one's actually gonna start.
It will. It might need a little.
Oh, huh. That's right. This is old school. I have to use an actual key. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Oh! Come on, come on. Wow. The old car does better than the BMW. I guess nobody's super surprised, but this thing is kind of awesome. Well, this one might not even open. Oh, there you go. Oh, hang on here. All right, try again. All right, I need to give it some gas. That one is just not gonna do anything fun. All right. All right, hubby thinks that he can get it to start. Last but not least. Oh, look. Husband's skin-colored Honda is in the way. Typical.